rookies, Andi here back with another OBS tutorial, and today we're looking at another theme. We are looking at a theme that makes it look highly like Twitch. So OBS is going to look directly like Twitch. It looks beautiful. It'll bring a new lease of life into your streaming instead of that dull, boring, dark, well, not even fully dark mode. There is a theme for that, so definitely keep a lookout for that, okay, guys? So we're going to get that downloaded first. We're going to jump to the OBS website. All the links are in the description down below. Hit download on Twitchy. You'll see the folder will load down there. Open it up. Open up Twitchy folder, and you'll see a few different things. You definitely want to use the font because the font is gorgeous. It looks lovely. So we're going to double click on with font and then open up the font folder as well. And then double click on the font. Hit install. That's going to get all installed. Mine's already installed, so I'm going to get it not to install, if that's okay, guys. Just go through that. It'll only take a couple of seconds. Back to the folder now and go back. You'll see the Twitchy folder and also twitchy.qss. You want to copy these and go to your C drive. Once in C drive, you want to look in program files or program files 86. Mine's in program files. We're looking for that OBS-Studio, all lowercase. Open that up, go to data, go to OBS-Studio again, and then themes. Open up that folder and just paste the two files that you've got in there. I've already got mine installed, so it's going to ask me to replace. Just do all that administration privileges, all that, say everything's cool, and then you want to restart OBS if you've not already, okay, guys? And then go to File, Settings, and then you'll see in General, there is a theme. You want to hit Theme, and you'll see Twitchy is now on there. Hit Twitchy. That'll change everything to this beautiful purple and change the fonts. I mean, look how smooth that looks. It is beautiful. It'll just it's nice that it just changes the perspective of OBS and kind of just brings it back up to life again, which is beautiful. So there are some other themes on there that you can check out as well. If this video has helped you, definitely drop a like on it. So yeah, help with the YouTube algorithm, because it just does whatever the hell it wants, doesn't it? And also subscribe, okay, guys, because you don't want to miss any of that future content where I'm dropping many tips to take your stream to the next level, okay? Using crazy plugins. Put your rock with a stone. I'll see you soon.